In this video, I'll show you a quick way of messaging your students through the Canvas Grades tool called Message Students Who. Here I am in grades with some really great demo students in my demo course. Let's say we just finished taking exam 1 and all of the scores are recorded in my exam 1 column, which is out of 100 as you can see here. So at the top of that column, there's a menu I can click on to open up and select Message Students Who. It'll open up this dialog box, at the top of which you'll see this drop-down menu with 4 options. You can message students who, for exam 1, haven't submitted yet, haven't been graded, scored less than a certain score, scored more than a certain score. So let's say we wanted to message students who, for exam 1, scored less than 70 out of 100. So I've got 2 students that it pulled up. If I had already spoken to one of these students, I could choose to remove individual students from this communication. I have the option to customize the subject line. It did put a default subject in there for me. And then I can type out the message for these students, knowing that it's going to be BCC. So this isn't something where I want to type in names of students who will be receiving this message. But I can type out my message. And then once I've got that ready to go, I'm going to click on the Send Message button. Remember, it's a BCC to these students, so don't put their names in the message text. Once I hit Send Message, I get a confirmation that that message has been sent to my students. And I could do another one if I wanted. So for exam 1, I want to message students who scored more than, let's say, scored more than 85. And in that case, we'll congratulate them on doing an awesome job in this exam and to encourage them to keep up the good work. Again, we hit send message and get a confirmation that those messages were sent. If I go over to my inbox tool and I pull down my sent box from that menu at the top, I've now initiated individual messages with all of those students. So they'd be able to respond back to me individually, and we've now initiated that conversation through the inbox tool in Canvas. So that's a quick demonstration of using Message Students Who in Canvas Grades. Thanks for watching.